Okay, here we are back in Surfers. Cabinet makers going to town on this joint. There's plenty of bits and pieces left outside there, boxes stacking up. We're still getting this horrible Gold Coast weather. And coming inside now and have a look at this. Overhead cupboards are in, pantries are in, fridge space all done. Looking fantastic. Got all the rest of the joinery happening here. So it's looking good. You can now you can see there's a couple of cupboards gone in down the corner here. So that's gone. Down here in the doorway. Tomorrow or maybe even tonight, the TV unit will come in down here. That's here and that's all sitting here in boxes here, ready to go. And again, it'll be in the shaker style cabinet. So that's all happening. The place is coming together really nicely. In here, I've taken down a little bit of outside. So I've got some daylight coming through now through the window, which is really good. Once we get rid of that horrid pink wall, paint everything up there nice and bright, this will all start to really take shape and really look good. So that's about it for today, but yeah, pretty happy with all this. Big joinery here going in. Plenty of storage space now for anyone that wants to move in. This room's going to be nice and big. Had the flooring guy here today, pretty happy with him. Yeah, so you can see you can move around in this room again now, which is really good. But that's about all I've got to share with you guys today. But yeah, kitchen looking great. All this overhead storage, which I've never had before. I'm liking it a lot. Range hood cupboard here. Hot plate going in down here. This is going to be a good one. This is going to be a real good one. I'd be happy to live here.